So guys, on this video today, I want to show you how I made $200 plus by investing in S&P 500. I don't want to talk too much. Let us just head over to my computer. Let me show you everything that you need to know on this video. So at the end of this video, you are going to decide if you want to invest into the stock market or not. So one thing I'm asking from you is for you to just hit that like button, subscribe, leave me a comment in the comment section, guys. I want to hear from you guys. So as you can see on my computer screen here, the first thing you need to ask yourself is, what is S&P 500? If you are new to the investing into the stock market method or business model, so you need to ask yourself, what is S&P 500? So S&P 500 is the 500 largest company in the world, so in the stock market. So if you are thinking about that, that is what it means. And I hope I'm making sense. But if I'm not making sense, I hope you get the understanding of what I'm talking about. This means when you invest into S&P 500, if anything happen in that company, let us say one of the company go into bankrupt, you are still going to have the rest of your money secured. So that is one thing that I like about S&P 500. So let us say, for example, you want to invest in shares. You want to invest in shares of Apple. If Apple go bankrupt, you are going to lose your money. Simple as that. But if you invest into S&P 500 and Apple, Google, Tesla, they are into this S&P 500, let us see. But because you invest into S&P 500, your money is still going to be intact. It's still going to be secure, and you still have some part of your money safe and secure. So that is one thing that I want to let you know that concerns this S&P 500. If you don't understand what it means, I hope you get the understanding of what I am talking about, guys. So one thing that you need to do is to learn or know how to invest into S&P 500. That is one thing that a lot of people don't know. So how can you invest into S&P 500? Let's also invest in S&P 500. You need to have your broker account. So if you don't have a broker account, you need to look at the platform that is in that your country and open your own broker account and start investing. So this platform is what I'm going to use to do my investment today, which is Trading 212. If you want to use Trading 212, the link will be in the description. You can try it out and let me know what to think at the end of this video, or if you have started investing, just come back on this video and leave me a comment. I want to hear what you think. So the first thing you need to do is to create your account on this platform. So to create an account is very, very simple. Enter your information. You enter your maybe a valid ID, passport, and you are good to go. So let me log into my own account now. So as you can see, my Trading 212 account have opened. Let me show you proof that I have made money from this platform. I'm not just talking like a random person. You can see it on the screen here. My return investment is $228 or euros that you can see on the screen here. There was a time it was going down, and it moved up. So that is how investment work, and that is how the stock market goes. Sometimes you might just see your money will drop down, sometimes your money will go up. So that is how this business model works. So if you are thinking to become rich in one day, my bro, you are lying. Just do your own proper research before you start investing in this stock market of a thing. Make sure you do your own proper research before you invest your money. So that is one thing that I want to let you know. You can see the money I have in my own account where it's showing cash. That is the money I have in my own account, which is €1, and my total investment is $493 or 93 euros that you can see on the screen here. And if you scroll down, you are going to find the company that I have invested my money on. You can see Nvidia, Vanguard, S&P 500, IBM. I'm showing you all those things. I'm not hiding anything from you so that you know the type of company that I have invested my money on. But it's not because I have invested my money in those companies that you will go and do the same thing. Don't copy me, because if you lose your money, don't say I am the one that push you to do this. I just want you to get the idea that you can start a type of business, but you need to do your own proper research before you start this investment method. So it's not an easy way to make money. So you might just start very easily with just a minimum amount of $1, which is something I like about this investment method. So when I started with just $20, and more I receive my salary, I deposit money into this platform, I do the investment again. And as you can see now, I am growing gradually. That is one thing that I want to show you, the proof and how to invest. What you need to do is to come to this search bar here and you can type, let us say S&P 500. So once you type S&P 500 here, is going to show you the S&P 500 company that you can invest your money on. You can see Vanguard S&P 500, and you can see Vanguard S&P 500 this, and you can see Vanguard S&P 500 RCC, which is accumulate, and this that you can see here is what we know as distribute. So that is one thing that I want to let you know. And this is the ticket code, the symbol code of this S&P 500, which is VUAG, and we have VUSA. And it depends on which one of them you want to invest your money on. Let us say you like any one of them, you can just click on it and go and invest your money on them. You can see the ones at the bottom here, which is iShare S&P 500 information. If I click on that, it's going to open up. You can see the ticket code is IITU. So if you go, you can see what it means, which is the IITU. You can see what it means here, which is iShare S&P 500 Information Technology Sector, RCC. So if you come here, don't forget the RCC is always accumulate. So if you don't understand what it means, so what you need to do is to scroll down, and sometimes you might find all the company that you are investing your money into. Let us say we want to invest in this company. What we can do is to click here and click on buy the share, and we can invest our money into those share. So let us say we want to buy this S&P 500. We need to click on it, and what we need to do now, we can click here and click on number of share. We click here again and we enter the number of share that we want to invest our money into. The price of this share is 32 euros and 92 cents. So that is the price of this share currently right now. If you want to buy one share of this IITU, which is the ticket code of this S&P 500. So that is it. If you want to invest two, you can just come here and you can just type two, and it's going to tell you the amount you are going to pay to invest in this share. So that is one thing. Let us say you want to buy with market price. You click on market price, you buy with market price. If you want to set a limit order, you want when the share drop down to a particular amount, you want to buy the share, you can enter that to here. Enter it by price. Let us say we will need to change the volume here, and once we click here again, it's going to pop up here. We can enter the amount that we want to buy this share when the market is open. All you just need to do is to enter the price here, and when the market drop down to that particular amount, your share is going to be launched, and when this market is open, your share is going to be live, and you can start accumulating money. Let us say we want to set limit order. We can still do that here. Let's say this share have dropped like 30%, 40%. You can do that here, enter it here, and once the market drop down to that particular level, your money is going to be cashed out. So that is one thing that you can do, and it's very, very simple to do. All you just need to do, pay attention to what you are doing, and you will be good to go. So that is how you can buy your share if you want to buy any share on those S&P 500 investment method. Let us say, for example, want to invest in, let us say VUSA. So what you can do here is to come here, and you are going to do the same process. You can see here, I have not buy VUSA investment. Let us say we want to buy it. All I need to do is to click on it, and now we want to buy the fraction of this share. We are not going to buy full share of this S&P 500. What we need to do, I will come here and I'll enter like 1. So once I enter 1 here, we are buying the fraction of the share. I will click on review order. It's going to pop this up. It's going to show you the share volume. It's going to show you the amount you are paying to buy this share. And here you are going to see the commission that you are paying. You see that we are not paying commission. It's 100% free. That is one thing I like about this company, which is called Trading 212. And here you are going to find the total amount you are going to pay. Once you click on buy order, this your share is going to be placed. You see order place, and if the market is open, that this your share is going to be launched immediately, and you can start accumulating money. You can see that the market is open and the share is live now. So once I click on OK, that is everything I just need to do. All I need to do now is to go and relax, and I will be making money if this company starts growing and I start making dividend from it. So that is one thing that I want to let you know. So if we click on, let us say on this company here, which is iShare Core, let us say want to invest in CSP1. Let us want to invest in that company. All we just need to do is to click on it too, and we are going to follow the same process just like we followed last time. And if you scroll down, you are going to find the company that is in this S&P 500 investment. So the asset, you can see asset location, you can see them here, the top holders of this S&P 500. You can see Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, which is Facebook. And if you scroll down here, you will find a lot of other companies that have invested their money in this particular company here. And if you click on sector means the category of people that have invested their money in this company. You can see that technology is the highest in this S&P 500 investment, finance. And if you want to look at the country that have invested a lot of money in this company, you can click here. You already know that is United States. That is always on the first page. So, and you can see after United States is about 99%, which means 1% of this S&P 500 is other countries. Sorry. So that is one thing that I want to let you know. Let us say, for example, we go to Google right now and we search for what is VOO, which is Vanguard S&P 500. So let us say I click on Vanguard VOO. You can see VOO, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. And you can see what I want you to focus on is the key ratio here. So you are going to see key ratio is 0.03, which is this is the amount of money you are paying as to be an investor to this company. So it's kind of a task. This is what they are tasking you at the end of the year to be an investor to this particular company. And one thing that I want you to pay attention to is the rising of that share. So you can see that the rising of this, the price of this share is $560.69. So, which is something that you already know now. So you know what you need to look at before you invest in those company. So that is everything I want to talk about on this video, guys. So let us take this part again. So what is the best S&P 500 that you can invest your money on? So I have prepared a list of the best S&P 500 that you can invest your money on. You can see if you want to invest in real estate, you can focus in this S&P 500 that you can see here. If you are focused on bonds, ETF, you can focus on this one here. If you are focused on growth, you can focus on this S&P 500 that you can see here. You can see I've added the share and the meaning of each share and the ticket code. Ticket code is this one here, which is IWF. VUG, QQQ. So just pick one of them and you can go and search it on Google and you can find the share that you are investing your money on, the sector of that investment, the category, and the country. So you can check all these other things and make sure that is a good company that you want to invest your money on. Let us say you want to invest in company that pay dividend. If you don't know what is dividend, dividend is the money you get out of the investment that you have done with a particular company. So you can find those companies here that will pay you, which is Schwab US dividend equity ETF. You can go and invest in this company. If you want to invest in Vanguard dividend appreciation index fund ETF, you can go and invest in that. If you want to invest in Vanguard high dividend yen index fund ETF, you can go and invest on that too. It just depends on the company that you want to invest your money on. But before you invest in any company, do your own proper research to make sure that you understand the company that you're investing your money on and the amount of money that you are going to get in return. So do your own proper research before you invest in any company is very, very important. And one thing that I want to still let you know is that don't just invest because I am saying it. go and do your own research before you invest in any company. Is very, very important. And one thing that I want to still let you know, you need to look at how the company is doing. What are they really doing, and what is this ETF company, what are they really doing? Are they dropping, or what is happening to this company in the last 5 years and in the future? How do you see this company? You need to decide too on your own self. Don't just rely on what the company is saying, but you need to rely on you and how you see things with that company, and how you see the sector and the category of that company. Like I showed you here, when we come to top holders, you can click on that. You can see the company that is holding a lot of money in that particular company that you can see on the screen here. If we click on sectors, you can see the sectors that are in this particular company. You can see that technology are the one that is 31.52%. So you just need to look at all these other things, because it's very, very important, and is what is going to help you to invest a lot of money in that particular company. And you can look it by country, by week, by day, by month, by in 3 months, by year, max. So you can look at all these other things. It's very, very important for you to track your investment and know what is really happening to that company. It's very, very important. So we have come to the end of this video, guys. Only what I will ask from you is to just hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will try my best to be making one video about ETF, one video every week on ETF. So I will say thank you very much, guys, and I will see you on my next upcoming video. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing, you can watch this video to learn how you can make up to $100 every single month by just doing a part-time investment with affiliate marketing. I will see you on my next upcoming video, guys. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment. I will see you soon.